In this video, I will show you how to hide your Instagram account. Now, let's say you don't want the public or anyone that is not following you to see your contents or your posts. Here's what you're going to do. The first thing you're going to do is to tap on the profile icon on the lower corner, and then click on the three lines on the upper right corner. Now you just have to scroll down and tap on Account Privacy. And then you have to enable Private Account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos that you've shared. So you just have to switch to private. And now your account is private. Another thing you can do is to deactivate your account. All you have to do is to tap on the search bar and then search for deactivation. And it will lead you to deactivate your account. You just have to click your account and then hit continue. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!